Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about how we can move the career from Oracle DBA to the Hadoop. There are many DBAs I have seen while working in the environment and they want to start their career in the Hadoop big data technology. And the reason behind that, there are a scope which is having a good with respect to the IT, and we can see that there are many openings which are available for the Hadoop development or admin part, and because of that only we can see there are a good scope and the people want to start their career or switch their career from Oracle DB to the Hadoop. So these two technologies are different, but when we see the base of these two technologies are almost same. So if you have the question in your mind that how can I move the career from Oracle DBA to the Hadoop development or Hadoop developer part or admin part, it is really easy. So I'll be talking about these things and I hope you will be find it as useful. Before starting, I will just request all of you guys, please do subscribe and like my channel to understand the concept of Oracle DBA, Hadoop and many more technologies at one place. Okay, so when I talk about Hadoop developer or Hadoop admin, so this is the Hadoop component which is available whenever you are going for the Hadoop developer or admin interview. The interviewer will be asking the question based on this component only. We called it as the ecosystem of the Hadoop. So we have a HDFS, Hive, MapReduce, Scoop, Uzi, and Spark, which is the part of Hadoop ecosystem. Now, how these things is similar to the Oracle DBA track. The first thing is the HDFS. What is HDFS? HDFS is a Hadoop file system. Now, whenever you're working on the HDFS file system, you'll be finding that all those Unix command which you are doing on the Unix prompt is almost similar to the HDFS. So because of that only you don't need to learn new things. In HDFS, if you want to check the directory, the command is hadoop fs-ls, and in our Unix prompt we can just use the ls command. So both the command are same. Whenever you want to copy something, the same command you need to use the copy command in HDFS level itself. HDFS is basically a Unix for only. So all those commands which are available in the Linux platform or Unix platform, same on the HDFS level. So you don't need to learn anything which is which is different from the Oracle DBA point of view. Second thing is Hive. Hive is totally a SQL based. We called it as a HQL, high query language. When I say high query language, it means it is totally dependent on the SQL language. If you want to create the table in Oracle, you can use the same command while working on the Hive. If the same table you need to create, the same structure you need to create on the Hive itself. If you want to alter the table, add new column, same thing you can do on the Hive itself. Delete, update, everything are same. Only few things which are add on the Hive. Few things just like external table, which is a new concept in Hive, and how it is working, that thing you need to take care. So there are many blogs, even my blogs are available, where you will find a lot of questions which are based on the Hive. And if you observe, if you do some analysis, you will find Hive and Oracle SQL both are almost same. Now the next thing is MapReduce. When we are working as a Oracle DBA, definitely we need to work on the shell scripting. So from shell scripting, we can understand what is function and everything. We understand the variable, we understand how to pass the function and everything we can understand as a part of shell scripting. The same thing you need to do in the MapReduce. So basically what I'm saying here, that if you have the basic knowledge of programming, you can work on MapReduce and Spark. The Spark, which is the last concept I'll be talking about. So the basic understanding of OOPS concept or the programming language, MapReduce is mostly, or I can say, is based on the Java language only. If you have the good knowledge or almost little bit knowledge as in Java, definitely you can do the programming in MapReduce and Spark. So in most of the project, you will find that either they will use the MapReduce or Spark, because MapReduce and Spark both are competent to each other. If you want slow performance, you can go with the MapReduce, and for faster processing, we can use the Spark. So both are almost same, which are based on the Java only. And as a DBA, if you have some scope in programming language, definitely you can do the coding part in MapReduce and Spark. Now let's talk about the next thing is scope. What is doing this scope? It is just taking the data from RDBMS and storing it to the high, or I can say in HDFS level. The same thing we were doing it. Being Oracle DBA, what we are doing, we were using our export import command. Same thing is happening in the Hadoop part. In Oracle DBA, we were using the import export command to take the logical backup, RMAN for our physical level backup, and in scope, what is happening? Scope is utility which is transferring the data from RDBMS to the HDFS or from HDFS to the RDBMS. So basically, scoop is having two utilities, import and export. And same thing in our Oracle admin or Oracle DBA part, we were having IMPDP and EXPDP, right? The next thing is Uzi. What is Uzi? Uzi is just I can say it's a scheduler. And in our Oracle DBA, we were having the scheduler as a cron tab, where we were were scheduling our job in the cron tab itself. Same thing is happening in the Uzi. Uzi is just a GUI format where you can put our job. And I have already described about Spark. So you don't need to worry about anything. Just go and switch your career from Oracle DBA to the Hadoop. That is really easy. If you want to stay with the Oracle, again, it's always good. You have a lot of opportunity in Oracle DBA as well. But if in case you're thinking to move the career from Oracle DBA to the Hadoop admin or DBA, that is always welcome. Thank you so much. Please do subscribe. Bye bye.